doodle in a plastic bag.
Crap. Here, wait. Let's try this one. I'm just gonna hold this one open. I'll nudge it, and you can get the other one.
Nudge it. It's unlocked.
Really? Oh, cool. Oh, it's using the front side. That's why it was locked. I was using the front side, son of a gun.
Oh, that's because the rear door's locked. It's stopping.
Okay, just let him in. Coming in.
Going up.
Oh, I meant the rear door.
Huh?
I'm just getting my controls mixed up.
Okay. Have a good day.
Yeah, the only control on the right door, not the left one.
Okay. I wish you could call cancel on these.
We'll just go to 16.
Instead.
I'm not using the wrist strap. I'm being kind of dangerous with your camera.
Okay, don't break it.
Yeah, I'm not.
Or else you'll be paying it for it.
Yeah.
And now
I keep a firm grip on it. Going up.
Hello.
Hello.
what floor would you like?
11.
11?
Yeah.
Okay. Want to swap?
17, you go to 17?
Yes.
Okay.
Have a good day, sir.
Have a good one.
Okay.
No.
You can take this. Oh, you don't want to go?
No.
Okay. And that's it, apparently.